Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Shabil Haziq Zaidi and we're from Group 6. Today, I would like to present about parking violation of car at Itasham lecturer parking. So I will present about problem statement and objective. The number of parking violation at lecturer parking, the correlation between the number of parking violations and parking spaces available at lecturer parking. The parking spaces to accommodate users at lecturer parking. So for the objective, to study the number of parking violation at lecturer parking, to investigate the correlation between the numbers of parking violation and parking spaces available at lecturer parking. Lastly, to determine the parking spaces to accommodate users at lecturer parking. Next.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Salahuddin Abdul Salam, and I would like to explain about the result that we obtained. In this project, the method that we use to collect the data is by observing and recording for 2 days with 3 hours for each. So this is the table that we have provide when we collect the data, which is we divide it by a few section that which is time class, midpoint, frequency, fs, x power 2, fx power 2, fx power 2. So the time class we start from 0 and 0 until 3.00, which is 0.25 stand for 15 minutes. So this is the result of the midpoint frequency fx x square, fx square, fx square. So for the next, I will pass to my next friends.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Hazman bin Ahmad Zarfan, and now I want to continue this presentation about discrete random variable. So bawah sikit. Bawah kan. Okay, so the table that we use is from the result obtained for every 15 minutes, and the table has the frequency and the probability. So the next to the table, we can see the cumulative distribution function, and it shows that we calculate for every 15 minutes by using the discrete random variable. Okay, next we go to the sampling distribution application. The table also we use the data that we collected, and this time we are using the formula for sampling distribution to calculate for get the answer. So next I will pass to my friend to continue this presentation. Thank you.
So my name is Ivan Zufarli bin Muhammad Zain. I will continue the binomial distribution. So from the data that we have collected, there are total 14 number of cars that commit parking violation at lecturer parking in 2 days of observation. So for day 1, we have collect data of 70 car and 20 car for the following day, which means is day 2. We also find out that 41.18% car in day and in day 1 and 34.78% car in day 2. Thus, the mean variation and standard deviation of the car that illegally parked at ETHI lecturer parking from the food window or we call restaurant staff at day 1 and day 2 is calculated respective by using the binomial distribution. So for the day 1, uh, for n we use the data 17 because n is for the total of car and the p is 0.412 for the probability of success. So the equation is S the binomial in bracket 70, 17 and 0.412. We use the formula n multiply with p. We 70 multiply with 0.412. We get 7.004. So for the variance, we use the formula MP in bracket 1 minus probability of success. We get 4.118. So the standard deviation is the equation is power root of MP multiply in bracket 1 minus probability of success. We get 2.029. So for day 2, n is 23 and p is 0.348. The equation is S the binomial in bracket 23 and 0.348. For the formula MP, we get 0.004 and the variant we get 5.219. So the standard deviation, we just use the power root MP multiply 1 minus probability of success, we get 2.288, 2.285. Okay, I will pass to Muhammad Salahuddin.
Okay, thank you, Wan Fadili. So for the conclusions, in conclusion, the objective of this case study are achieved in the study of the numbers of parking violation at lecture parking. The investigation of the correlation between the numbers of parking violation and parking spaces available at lecture parking and determine the parking spaces to accommodate users at lecture parking. So this is our group poster. So that's all from us. Thank you.